What is it like being Jamaican in Guinea Bissau? Hi, I'm Xavier Murphy, the founder of Jamaicans.com. Today in Jamaicans to the World, I talk to Claudette Duncans, who is in Guinea Bissau, and welcome, Claudette.
Thank you, Xavier. Thanks for having me.
So, which part of Jamaica you come from?
Well, I'm from Mariba District, Leeds in St. Elizabeth. That is exactly 3 miles from Santa Cruz and 3 miles from Malvern. So I'm smack in the middle between Santa Cruz and Malvern.
Let me tell you, I went to St. Elizabeth some years ago, and I went down to Treasure Beach, and it was such a journey, quite a journey from the Kingston.
Yes, it's a long way from Kingston.
Oh, indeed, indeed. So, how long have you lived there?
In Guinea-Bissau, I've been in Guinea-Bissau for 4 years and 8 months now.
Man, that's a you're in. You're definitely been there, for a while.
Yes, I've been traveling Africa.
Okay, so
Yes.
for folks who don't know, where is Guinea-Bissau?
Well, Guinea-Bissau is in West Africa. It borders Senegal, Mali, and Guinea.
Okay, yeah, I think we've heard of Guinea, and when I first heard of Guinea-Bissau, I was thinking, I wonder if Guinea changed its name or something, and I kept thinking, I mentioned it to my wife, and I said, I'm interviewing, a young lady from Guinea-Bissau, and she's like, where is that? And I said, I think it's a name change.
No, it's always been Guinea-Bissau.
So, what do you love about Guinea-Bissau?
Well, it's people. Guinea-Bissau have some beautiful, warm, and loving people. Yes, I love the people most of all. I just love them. They are beautiful also.
So,
Very beautiful black people.
so is it not only the outward, but is it inward?
Yes.
Good, good. And the next one is this. Next question. What do you like the least about Guinea-Bissau?
The underdevelopment in the country.
So are you in the countryside or are you in the main city?
I'm in the main city, Bissau.
Mm. But the country says underdeveloped.
Yes, totally.
I see. And the city is a city like a busy city, a big city, a lot of traffic, or is it the capital, a small city?
It's not a big city and it's busy. Yes, because most of the activities in Guinea-Bissau is in Bissau, in the city.
Are people moving from the countryside into the city? A lot of people trying to get out of the city now and develop in the countryside.
No, most people are in Bissau. And
Okay.
most people want to be in Bissau because that's where all the activities are.
So my next question to you is this. The people there, when they find out or someone finds out that you are Jamaican, what is typically the reaction and what are some of the questions they ask when they find out that you're from Jamaica?
They are so excited to know that I'm from Jamaica, and because we I don't think Jamaicans really know how they are respected abroad. And the locks. They think everybody in Jamaica wears dreadlocks. And they want me to cut. Mine was very long. And they keep asking me to cut it and give to them.
And what about the music? Do they know the Jamaican music?
Wow. They love it. Especially Bob Marley and Peter Tosh.
Yeah, it is a trend, or I should say, every time I talk to Africans or people from the continent of Africa, Peter Tosh and Bob Marley, they know
Yes.
Peter Tosh and Bob Marley.
Mm.
Know the music, know the lyrics, because it was they take it as their own. I mean, they love it. They love it.
Yes.
So the people itself, the people you said they're beautiful, they're nice inside and outside. Tell me the typical thing that if you would say, I'm comparing them to my Jamaican people, what would you say is similar?
Actually, this warmth and the love. Yes, and the interest, because when I was growing up in Jamaica, I keep talking about it. The love and how people show interest in you. This is what I see in those people. And even I took a photograph with a young man from Guinea Bissau and from Jamaica, I should say. And the reason why I didn't know him from Adam, but when I looked at him, he looked as if someone who I left in Bissau. I had to take a photograph with him and take it back with me to Bissau to let the Bissau Guineans see how we are similar.
So in terms of the interest, it sounds like, because I notice when you're in the countryside in Jamaica, when Miss B or Miss P or Mas Dan or whoever stop by, I'm going to sit and take an interest in hearing your story and what you have to say. So it
Yes,
seems like the people are similar that way, where they're going to stop and have a conversation with you to
yes,
understand exactly what's going on in your life at that time.
yes, just as that. Yes. And they are very interested in you. And if you are their neighbor, they look out for you. They are such kind people. I just love them.
So my next question is this one. What's the biggest adjustment you had to make when you moved there?
It's the food.
What about the food?
Yes. I could hardly find the food that I'm used to, especially yam, because Bissau Guineans are different from the other countries in West Africa where you can get yam. In Bissau, you only have some small purple color yam. I think in Jamaica, those yam, we call them St. Vincent yam. But those in Bissau, they are very small.
You
But
find any yellow yam?
no. And
No.
I also think why this was what is a challenge, because it still is because of the underdevelopment of Bissau. Because when I need things, I can drive to Gambia. So I will drive to Gambia to get things that I'm used to in Jamaica.
How far is
Gambia is around 450 kilometers from us.
okay? Not a bad. Those are not a bad trip.
Mhm.
So my next question to you is this: what food from Guinea Bissau that you like?
Wow, I like they have a lemon chicken. A chicken that is cooked in lemon sauce. I love that.
And what food from Jamaica do you miss the most?
Well, I miss jerk pork and chicken.
So you don't get any of the jerk seasoning in Gambia?
No, I have to take that with me.
So when you head to Jamaica, you pack that bag.
Yes.
So what is when you come off the plane, when you head to Jamaica and you get off the plane, what's the first thing you go for?
When when I come off the plane, the first thing I go for is in Bissau, roast fish.
Okay. And when you come off the plane in Jamaica, is it the jerk chicken the first thing you go for when you get off the plane in Jamaica?
Jerk chicken or a patty.
I see. So,
Juicy patty.
which patty?
Juicy patty.
Juicy. All right.
Juicy.
You're claiming the steak. Juicy is the best for you.
Yes, man.
So, I know you said the country is underdeveloped, but there must be some interesting sites. It could be even simple. I was talking to another lady, and she was saying just the beautiful sunset in the country she's in. Is there something, an attraction or a place or something that you find very interesting, and if I was to travel there or anyone was to travel there, you'd say you have to see this or you must experience this
Yeah.
if I come there?
Yes, you would have to go to Bubaki Islands.
And what is Bubaki Islands?
The Guinea-Bissau have several islands, about 80 of them. And there are hotels, there are resorts, many resorts there. And funny thing, many of them are not even owned by Bissau Guineans. Yes, Senegalese and Portuguese people, even Americans own resort in Bubaki Island. So
And are there beautiful beaches there?
very beautiful. And lots of fish in Bissau.
Yeah, I go have to try that roast fish if I come over that side, because your face lit up when you said when I get off I have to get my roast fish.
Yes.
So what's the language? What's the language they speak?
It's Portuguese. Portuguese is the official language. However, 95% of Bissau Guineans do not speak or read Portuguese. They speak and read Portuguese Creole.
That's interesting. So Portuguese Creole is what now? Is it
It's a broken language. It's a broken language from Portuguese.
So they understand Portuguese. Does the people from Portuguese understand them?
Yes, people from Portugal understands them when they speak Portuguese Creole. But as I say, 95% of Bissau Guineans do not read or understand Portuguese.
So is there any discussion to make this maybe an official language?
I think so, but the government doesn't budge. I don't know why.
So,
it would be good if they could do that.
Yeah, sounds very similar with the battle between us and or a language, and I call it a language, patois.
Yes, man. Just like patois. Of course, patois should be an official language in Jamaica.
Yes, I agree. I know there are some people that may comment and say they disagree, but yeah, I'm there 100%. Another discussion, another day with some linguists. I'm gonna have to do that one.
Yes.
So,
And Portuguese Creole is very user friendly.
have you
Yeah,
learned any?
I prefer it to Portuguese.
So, have you? It sounds like you learn a little bit.
Yes, I have learned
So,
some.
give me a term, a popular term. You know, like always say, everything croissant, curry, or every or curry, or
Yes.
come or whatever. Give me a popular term that
In
you use.
Portuguese Creole, if I said everybody will pass you and said Ikuma,
And what that mean?
how are you?
Ikuma.
Mm-hmm. It's just I. I is one word, that is I, and then Kuma.
Ikuma.
Ikuma.
All right. So
And then you would say, if you say I'm good, stab him.
stabem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Learning a little language today. So I'm winding down, but my other question to you is this one. What do you miss the most about Jamaica?
My family, of course. I miss my family and close friends, and I miss the food.
I hear that a lot. We're gonna have to get you some jerk season and some jerk chicken, you know, because yes, I hear that a lot. People missing the food.
Yes, man. I'm just coming from Jamaica and I stock up. Anytime I go there, I stock up.
But let me ask you this. So Gambia, they don't have like your curry, they don't have, any of them sort of things that, and I know curry different. Maybe they do the Indian curry, but do they have any Jamaican products in Gambia?
No, but
Okay.
you get things close to what, because Gambia is close to the United Kingdom.
Okay.
So you will get things that, similar to what we buy in Jamaica. Yes, but like the jerk seasoning and all of that, even the coconut oil,
Uh-huh.
no.
Well,
It's
I can't
only
see.
it's only food like that, like yam. The yam, now I have to go to Gambia to buy yam.
So my last question is this. If a Jamaican was thinking of, if they were
Guinea
moving to
Bissau.
Guinea-Bissau, what would be the one piece of advice you would give to them?
I would just advise them to just be yourself.
Be yourself.
Yes. And you have to move with your jerk sauce and your seasoning. Yes. You
Okay.
have you have to move with that.
Thank you very much for joining us and giving us some insight on Guinea-Bissau. And maybe one of these days I'll get the pronunciation right because I know I butcher that last part of it every time. But any closing thoughts, any closing words?
Well, for me, as I was saying to my daughter, if I went to Africa when I had only one child, when I was much younger, I would not go back to Jamaica. I would take my one child and we would move to Africa. But because I went to Africa later in life, I miss family so much, and I cannot take them all of them with me. So I will settle with Jamaica. But Africa, every Jamaican, I wish they should go
Come
to Africa. Yes, it's such a
good,
great experience.
good words here. Every Jamaica should make the opportunity to come to Africa.
Yes.
Thanks again for joining us. Blessings to you and your family. And we will definitely stay in touch. And people, she need our seasoning. So please get our jerk seasoning. And she want our, what patty was it now?
Juicy patty.
She want our juicy patty.
Show some love now. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss a video.